How to add music to Facebook post on iPhone. First up, open the Facebook app in your iPhone devices and then go to your homepage. Here on the top you see a statement called What's on your mind. Click on the What's on your mind message which will allow you to make a new post. Here you can add photos, videos, tag people and do a lot more activities. You can just post a thought or even add pictures or videos. For now, we are just going to write a hi test statement. After you do so, swipe up or click on the toolbar that you can see, and here you can see a music option. Click on the music option and here you can see plenty and plenty of music options to choose from to add on your post. You can also search music or artist by clicking on the search bar at the top. Here, enter the music that you would like to attach to your post and then click on see results for dash the song name. Here you can see the song list that comes upon your search and then click on the song that matches your interest. Then click on the song and then here you are good to go to post with your song choice. This is how you can easily add music to Facebook posts in your iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.